Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to have our new lecture of English. Hina Usman here with you. This is our lecture number 21. We have started Unit 3, Chapter 3.1. We were doing reading and explanation. We have started Unit 3, Changing Attitudes. I have told you that this all unit is about the generation gap, the conflicts, the confusions, the disagreements which are being present between two generations. That is all about that. And we are reading the blanket story where we had three main characters: Peter, an 11 years old kid, a going away gift, you can say again a main role, that going away gift in form of blanket playing a very important role in this story, his dad and his granddad. These three characters we have in this story, and all the story revolves around them. We have read that Peter and his granddad were both sitting together, and his granddad was not in a very passive mood. Rather, he was trying to cheer up Peter. Peter was in very dejected mood. He was not ready to believe that his father is going to leave his grandfather somewhere else. And his grandfather said that he will bring his harmonica and will play some tunes. But instead of harmonica, he brought the blanket outside, and he was praising that blanket, that how good and beautiful and expensive it is, and how kind your father is that he is giving me this type of gift. So let's start for the next events. It was like granddad to be saying that he was trying to make it easier. Make it easier. He does not want to make a picture, make an image in front of Peter that his father is not a good man. He is cruel, that he is sending his own father to somewhere else, to old age home or something like that. So he's saying, ever since they had talked about going away, जब से उन्होंने उसके जाने की बात की थी कि granddad अब जाने वाले हैं, Granddad had said it was his idea. The granddad was taking all the responsibility, and he was saying that this is my own idea, that I want to go to that old home and I don't want to live here. This is my own idea. It is not the fault of your father. Imagine, अब आप तस्वुर करें, leaving a warm house and friends to go to that building. Now this is from the पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ऑफ पीटर कि ठीक है ग्रैंड डैड मुझे कहते हैं कि मैं खुद नहीं जाना चाहता, लेकिन आप सोचें थोड़ी देर के लिए, आप एक अपने अच्छे कोजी कंफर्टेबल एनवायरनमेंट वाले घर को छोड़कर, अपने पुराने दोस्तों को छोड़कर टू दैट बिल्डिंग, उस ओल्ड हाउस में जाना चाहते हैं, ओल्ड एज होम, दैट गवर्नमेंट प्लेस वेयर ही वुड बी विद सो मेनी अदर ओल्ड फैलोज, गवर्नमेंट का वो इदारा जहाँ पे उनकी तरह के और बहुत से बूढ़े लोग होंगे, having the best of everything. बेशक उनको वहाँ हर चीज़ बेहतरीन मिलेगी. But Peter had not really believed that would do it. But Peter is in a trance. उसको यकीन नहीं आ रहा that my father can do it, that he can send away his own father to old age home. He is in between confused state of mind. उसका दिमाग इस बात को तस्लीम ही नहीं कर रहा, उसको यकीन ही नहीं आ रहा कि मेरे फादर इस तरह की कोई बात कर सकते हैं. Until this night when he brought home the blanket. ये बात काफ़ी दिनों से घर पे चल रही थी, लेकिन पीटर इस पे यकीन करने को तैयार नहीं था, यहाँ तक कि आज जब उसके फादर ये गोइंग अवे गिफ्ट घर लेकर आए. ओ यस, इट्स अ फाइन ब्लैंकेट. हाँ, ये तो बहुत अच्छा खूबसूरत ब्लैंकेट है. पीटर सेड एंड गॉट अप एंड वेंट इनटू द हाउस. पीटर उठा, घर के अंदर चला गया. ही वॉज नॉट द काइंड टू क्राई. वो रोने वाला बच्चा नहीं था. He was a strong child. He was not very sensitive. He was sensitive, but he was not throwing any tantrum that started crying or something like that. He was feeling that I am grown up, that now it's not suitable for me to cry. And besides, इसके अलावा, he was too old for that. He was thinking that I am too old and crying is a habit of small children, young children, so I should not cry. He had just gone in to get granddad's harmonica. He just want to muster up his courages. He just want to swallow up all those emotional thoughts which were engulfing his mind, the sadness, the dejection, the worry that granddad is going to go away from home. So he just want to divert his attention to, so he went inside and brought his harmonica, a musical instrument. The blanket dropped to the floor as the old man took the harmonica. जब वो ब्लैंकेट क्योंकि पहले ही ले आए थे ग्रैंडडैड बाहर, तो जब वो हारमोनिका लेने लगे तो ब्लैंकेट उनके घुटनों से नीचे गिर गया. It was the last night they would have together. So that granddad and grandson, Peter and his granddad, उनकी ये आखिरी रात थी इकट्ठे. Neither the old man nor the young boy had to say a word. Both were speechless, both were silent. कुछ कहने के लिए नहीं था. Granddad played a few notes and then said, notes, musical tunes. Granddad ने कुछ धुनें बजाईं और फिर कहा, you will remember this one. तुम्हें ये वाली धुन याद रहेगी. The thin moon was high overhead and the gentle breeze blew down the valley. चांद ऊपर चमक रहा था बारीक सा और ठंडी हवा चल रही थी वादी में. The last time Peter thought he would never hear granddad play again. पीटर ने सोचा कि अब उसे कभी भी दोबारा ग्रैंडडैड की ट्यून सुनने को नहीं मिलेंगी. It was well that dad was moving to a new house, और ये भी था कि after sending his granddad away they are going to shift in a new house. उसके फादर ने नया घर ले लिया था. Away from here, यहाँ से चले जाएंगे. He did not want to sit there outside on fine evenings under a white moon with granddad gone. वो अकेले बाहर आकर चांद की रोशनी में ग्रैंडडैड के जाने के बाद नहीं बैठना चाहता था. The music ended and the two sat for a few minutes in silence. Then granddad spoke. थोड़ी देर वो दोनों खामोश बैठे. उसके बाद granddad ने कहा, Here is something happier. आओ तुम्हें कुछ प्लेजेंट चीज सुनवाता हूँ. हैप्पी ट्यून, खुशगवार धुन जिसको सुनकर अच्छा लगे, दिल खुश हो जाए. पीटर सेट एंड लुक्ड आउट ओवर द वैली. पीटर बैठा रहा और बाहर आगे की तरफ देखता रहा. डैड वुड मैरी दैट गर्ल. His mother is not there, might be he is dead, so because we didn't got any hint in the story, so his father is going to remarry. Yes, that girl who had kissed him and who had said she would try to be a good mother to him and all that. So now he's thinking about that girl who has shown some affection towards him and assured him that she will be a good mother for him in future. It means that he was not in a good mood while thinking about new mother, while thinking about the changing of his father and how cruelly he is sending his own father away. So he is feeling heaviness in his heart. The tune stopped suddenly and granddad said, वो धुन जो granddad बजा रहे थे वो एकदम खामोश हुई और granddad ने कहा, it's a poor tune. Poor tune means it's not good. It's not very enchanting. It's not very impressive. It's not very, you can say, it is not creating a very pleasant effect. आपके दिल को कानों को अच्छी नहीं लगी सुनने में. Except to be dancing to. Yani this is only a tune on which you can dance. You cannot understand that. You cannot create a harmony with it. It cannot touch your heart. Sometimes when if you people are used to of listening music, so all music does not impress you. All music does not attract you. There are some tunes, there are some songs which certainly affects you and you started singing along with it, or some are only the music on which people are dancing. And then it is a fine girl your father is going to marry. It means that the thoughts of Peter, his granddad, can easily judge that what he is thinking about. So he's assuring him that don't be afraid, don't be sad. That girl will be good for you, who will be your would-be mother. So don't be worried about that. He will feel you young again with a pretty wife like that. Definitely, when he is going to marry a young and beautiful girl, his mood will change automatically and he will be pleasant and positive. And what would an old fellow like me do around the house? And when they both are going to get married and they will have their new life, so what I will do here? I'm an old champ, so I don't think so that my presence will be here any good. Getting in the way means I will create some disturbance, hurdle, and they will take me as a load, or I will become a burden. So I should not live here. An old fool with all the talk about backaches and pains. So because I'm old, so I have many physical difficulties. I am not in a good state of health. So many a times I am complaining that I am having pains and I'm not feeling good. So their life will be disturbed by me, and I don't want to do it. So just keep in view that granddad is not going at his own. Peter's father is sending him, and now granddad is creating a ground, or he is trying to clear the image of Peter in his mind for his dad. कि आपके फादर नहीं मुझे भेज रहे, मैं खुद जा रहा हूँ. He's a very good man, a strong old man. He has very good morals and ethics. कि वो अपने पोते के दिमाग को मैनिपुलेट नहीं कर रहा, उसमें कोई जहर नहीं भर रहा कि देखो तुम्हारा बाप मेरे साथ क्या कर रहा है, मैं बूढ़ा हो गया हूँ आज तो मुझे ओल्ड होम में भेज रहा है, इट्स नॉट फेयर और समथिंग लाइक दैट. किसी किस्म की कोई जज्बाती ब्लैकमेलिंग भी वो नहीं कर रहा, बल्कि ही इज गिविंग very positive picture of his father to Peter, trying to console him by telling good things, by giving positive hopes. So it means that granddad was a very good and strong character. So you just keep in mind that it can be a question that what type of character granddad is in the story The Blanket. So you can highlight all these characteristics which he has. This is all about today. This chapter is still not concluded. We have to continue it tomorrow. Till then, stay blessed. Thank you.